What is that noise? I don't know what that is. Why?
The important thing is that you don't get frustrated.
Yeah. Don't try that cut at home. I almost just cut my finger. I'm sure she's gonna love the design I came up with on my own.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? It's complete.
Apologies if the camera is shaking a little bit today.
It's just a tornado. Why did I make those screws face each other and this one face nothing? Takes a very skilled carpenter.
So who are we gonna call?
I punched myself right in the nose. Oh my God.
He has the shop, so he doesn't have any excuse. Here's where we started, our old filing cabinet. It was in rough shape, so we figured why not build ourselves a new one? And luckily, as everyone knows, my husband's an expert.
So this is a... What the hell is this? So this is a little binder holder.
It's a hanging file holder.
They put your folders in here.
Okay, so maybe he's not an expert, but he's definitely at least built a cabinet with like sliding drawers before.
Never really built a cabinet with like sliding drawers before.
Well, it should be an interesting video. Hopefully, he's got a solid plan.
The first thing I'm going to do is build the drawer, then I'm going to build the cabinet around it. I've got plywood that I bought from a guy on Marketplace, $40 a sheet. I'm going to go ahead and make the drawers out of these. I'm going to cut a little groove in here for the bottom of the drawers. So the bottom is going to be this 1/4 inch plywood, and what I need is for these to fit in here. All right, so this is where we're at. I've got a box built. I didn't film a lot of it because this is my first time making one. While Candace is at the UFC gym practicing her grapple moves, I want to put these two together so they can start gluing up. Let this thing dry, and we'll catch you guys then. Bye.
So Wender's been building a cabinet, I guess. I haven't even seen it yet.
I'm sure she's going to love the design I came up with on my own.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? It's complete. I made that face.
What is this?
It's a drawer.
Okay.
It's how cabinets are made.
Are you sure?
I'm going to peel all this off. Just take a look at these little clamps right here. These are like the freaking best. My friends at Team sent it to me after I paid for it.
Why does it have these?
What I want to do is,
my cute meals.
So check it out. I built these without filming a lot because I needed to focus and make sure I got it right.
People love when you make mistakes though.
We need to make another one. When we do that one, we'll show like what I did. So the square that you were asking, what's it for? It's because the slides need a space to go all the way in. And here's a message to all the manufacturers out there. This 0.433 inch, this is what we use to build things. Needs to be one of these.
I feel like you could have probably guessed that they weren't going to do things perfectly, considering their slogan.
Make dream home for you. Now I'm just going to take some measurements, write them into my design program over here, and start building to it. The wood behind you is going to be the frame for the carcass. Hold the white one. You loosen up the clamps, remove said clamp, remove the woods.
God, I gotta do everything around here.
Clean up the shop. Too much. Okay, let's cut some wood. So now I'm gonna pocket hole the sides so I can put it together. Pocket holing is a science I do not have figured out. I think you put this at whatever this thing is. I think that's the trick, girl. And by the trick, I mean the exact thing that this box is saying for you to do. Shout out to all you expert pocket holders out there. So I'm just gonna do a dry fit. Bound to be a mistake made here. I think the next step here is I'm gonna mark these guys, take them back apart, put some glue, screw them back in, let them dry. All right, so these are put together, sides of the cabinet. We need to make some panels that are gonna go in here next while these are drying up. And I'm gonna cut that out of this guy right here. So now I just gotta move the entire shed around so I can slide my table out and make 2 cuts. Everything's in the way.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's up?
What's up?
These things are glued up, so I'm gonna route a little bit so I can fit the panels. Today, I'll put on the screen here, but we're in a red zone for tornadoes. I like to route this outside because I clean the shop. Try to beat these tornadoes. I glued them. For me to route it, I don't want to obviously go into the pocket screw, so I'm gonna remove them.
Get that guy with those big arms. Wow.
The neighbors are gonna pump.
Whoa, Francine, watch out. Apologies if the camera is shaking a little bit today.
It's just a tornado. Table just sunk into the wet ground.
Battling against nature.
Yeah, this is not on our side.
What happened out there?
The wind was against me. I went to flip the table thinking like all of it was gonna slide out. Instead, I just made a ramp for the wind. Blew the whole thing into my face. This router is pretty new to me. This is gonna be hidden in the back, like not gonna see it. Because if I had to use this router to make like a picture frame, that is not the way. No, but when you turn it around, it is exactly what it needs to be. You know what I mean? That's the side that matters. I keep thinking if the neighbors are seeing us, they're like, what are these crazy people doing? This tornado's coming. Might notice we're only putting one screw back, so they completely routed out the other one. That's why I removed them. It's being held by glue. This is just because like when we move and stuff, help hold it together. I feel like there's at least 2 moves left for us before we settle.
We move every few years. People came for the cabinet making, they're going to stay for the gun show.
Leave a comment if you're here for the cabinet or the gun show. I think this side is the visible side, more clean. This side has more.
Okay. I approve.
All right.
Face the camera. You're just blocking me and blocking yourself.
I feel like that's the fault of the person who set up the camera.
You were well aware of how I was setting up the camera. And then you just were like, we're going to do this. And then we're going to do this.
Get out of here. I found these screws I have.
Go up there and show them.
Oh yeah, let me show. People do this on TV sometimes. I don't know why, but.
See it better. Whoa.
This is getting sporty out there.
Right, you guys probably can't hear it, but it's crazy windy.
Hey, look at that. Okay, 2 panels. Now we'll connect these fellas.
The 2 panels?
Yep.
Using these pieces that you had cut previously?
Previously cut, yes. I get these previously used screws. I don't know if this one's going to have any place to go, but I'm going to throw it in here anyways. Just sitting there, floating. I'm not going to waste it then. That's it. That's how it's supposed to be, so it'd be.
It's like we're making a little table, an IKEA table.
Not too late to change your mind. So much riding on just guesswork of how these drawers are going to work with this.
But you know what? No other channel does what we do with so little thought put into it, you know? It makes us stand apart.
Definitely something to be proud of. All right.
Yeah, it sounds crazy outside.
I feel like we're going to walk outside and there's no house. That's my face of like, I think it's working.
Sure you won't come to regret that statement.
Why did I make those screws face each other and this one face nothing?
What were you just saying like 2 seconds ago? Look at this, guys.
Literally,
these are facing in that way, and these are facing this way. I can see our neighbors bringing in like their lawn stuff.
Yeah, we should probably do that after this. Let's throw this guy together and get the hell out of here.
Look at Wender and I when we were babies. Look at Wender's hair.
A box. Now, let's see if this is our next project or just some trash. That works. I don't know what to do. I don't know if we need to go inside, like keep an eye on this.
It's weird because it's so bright out.
What's your background in tornadoes that being bright out means anything?
We watched Twister.
Yeah, we're good.
Doesn't it get dark when there's like going to be a tornado?
I don't know, babe.
What happened in Twister?
It got dark.
There you go. Experts.
Put it over there. All right.
Okay.
Today, we're going to cut the back of the cabinet. Cumbersome to do it in the shed, so
here we are.
In nature.
Luckily, nature is a lot better looking today.
Ow.
You okay? We survived the tornado threat, but you're already hurting yourself.
This door is really trying to get me. All right. Now let's cut it some more. Candace! So we cut it to rough size. Now we're going to cut it to like final size. Table saw, rip, and then chop saw. Make fast.
No.
Ready? Okay, so now I think I'm gonna pocket screw this thing in. Now, is that overkill? Some would say yes. Others would also say yes.
It's our box we made yesterday. Use the word we very loosely here.
Very loosely, all the time. So this is the back of the box. I'm gonna inset it, and this is the exact amount. So I'm using this as a template here.
And you're screwing it in from this side.
From the side where the holes are for the screws, yeah.
You're so smart.
That never happens. Never happens.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Wow.
Put all these screw holes in here. It's too many. Last one. 3-sided box. Now we're gonna make the bottom. This piece is gonna fit in here like this. I might remove those screws at the bottom and just let this do the work of the screws.
Otherwise, they're in the way, right?
Yeah, that's mostly why. I don't know why you had to rat me out. Now let's secure the bottom. I'm gonna use finish nails and glue. Not as fun as the drill, you know. Let's do like a sound effect. All right, I'm gonna
You didn't even know what you did.
my new glue bottle Dennis gave me.
These are the things we get excited about, guys.
Back panel's done. Bottom panel's done. Oh, here comes the scary part. Drawer install. Let me do a test. Because the panel's inset, these slides have to be even with this, and they need to go back here. So I have to
Put something in between.
correct,
the
yeah,
panel.
like something back here so that they end up being this far out. Oh yeah, see that action? All right, let me measure. I need a measurements. Gotta work. I have to make a bunch of these.
How many? 4?
4, 6. Got our 6 pieces here. I am going to glue them and nail them. Okay, now this guy in here, that other guy in here. You know what they say? Shrimp that sleeps on the beach
Oh my god, not that again.
gets washed away by the waves.
Who said that? Where did you get that from?
Need a click.
All right, now do it again.
Now do it again and then do it again.
Yeah, 2 more times.
Wouldn't be complete if I didn't drop a screw. Yes. What's that noise?
It's weird noise.
Like a screw stuck in there or something? I don't know what that is. Why? This piece is going first and like hitting the back.
It doesn't do it on this side? On that bottom one, I mean?
No, because I don't have that spacer. The spacer is what's screwing me up. Guess what's happened to that spacer? Oh, killer.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's a good investigation. Okay, it's the level of noise I want for my drawers, you know. Ready to make another drawer?
But you can get your little dopamine fix by checking off drawers install. It's the third. It's a separate bullet.
Boop. Boop.
Doesn't that feel good?
Feels good. Okay, so check it. We need to go up an inch from here to be the same as that.
So you can put the braces in like you did for the second drawer.
Oh yeah, I can just do the same exact thing. That's very smart of you.
Earn my keep here.
So we're just gonna install these guys too. I don't want to put the slides yet because I want to test them out as I'm making the drawer. Oh, she's getting hefty. I am gonna make a third one. It's just gonna be thinner. This way.
Less deep.
It'll be the same deeps. Less
Deep like
height.
this.
Oh yeah, like a pool.
Yeah.
Mm.
Full depth.
Mm.
What's up, guys? Another day working on this filing cabinet. Wendy's already in the shop, as you can hear. So let's see what he's doing. Hey.
I think we left off with the the last drawer. So this was the last one. You know, I've always wanted to do this. Everybody, when they build their things, they go,
I know, it's the first time we've had soft close, right?
failed. Yeah.
Just have to practice
I
to
know,
get
I'm
better.
not used to it. I'm just a simple man. Check mark. Divider panel. So we need to do that. Up here, we're going to have a door that I think we're going to make open up like this. I have to put like a floor
to the
you
cabinet.
know, otherwise it just goes right into the
drawer.
So that's what we're doing now. For that, I'll put that just the stop one. One more soft close just for the gram.
For you, be real.
Don't try that cut at home.
Wow. So strong.
I almost just cut my finger. We'll install this guy. Glue and nails. I'm gonna put tape here so I don't get glue all over this thing. This veneer is really thin and I don't need to be sanding it, you know?
You went up.
Yep, came out right there. This side sucks though. Should we put it in the back? What am I doing?
Cut another piece.
No, I'm not cutting another piece. This was supposed to be such a simple little, just this little guy, put it in and keep going. But no. Oh yeah, put that little guy in the back there and nobody gonna know.
Except for everybody who watches this.
All right, here we go. Let's see if we can do this on the first try. Oh my God. Same exact one. It's just meant to be.
You need to cut a new piece. I think that's what's meant to be. This is real life DIY, guys. This is what happens, right? The important thing is that you don't get frustrated.
Yeah. Where's my thing? You can't spell success without sucks.
Without suck.
Cess.
No, that's not how you spell success.
See? Success.
Just suck. S-U-C-C. Or S-U-C.
Cess. That's what I'm talking about.
We'll cut this. Okay, so Wender's going to cut another piece. We'll see you guys on the other side of it. We're back with a new piece.
Yep. Okay, here we go. Not in the clear yet. Come on, Bob Vila, help me out here. My man. Okay, so now for us to put this little shelving unit here, I'm gonna kind of do the same thing we did down here. So I made these little cleats that I'm gonna glue and nail to the sides, and then that shelf that I just made perfect for the first try can just fit right on top of it.
Perfect for the first try.
Yeah, yep. Boom, she's in. Now we can go put a check mark. So this, I want the inside of that to look nice because when I built it, I just kind of willy-nilly put screws everywhere. So I think I'm gonna get like 1/4-inch plywood and just kind of put it over here, glue it. So I'm gonna put some nails to hold this down. Right here, pressure. Okay. Sign of success here is nothing came out the side. That's really all I'm asking from this specific task. Okay.
Okay.
I want to get rid of these screws. I think the pressure that this is applying to the sides is holding it. All right, let's cover our plywood with some plywood.
We cut all the plywood.
Now let's install it.
You install it.
Damn it. A little gluish in here. And then hopefully they fit. Okay. All right, what you think?
Guess what? You get to check another thing off. So next is front panels. Wow, that's like legit. That's like the actual drawer fronts. We've learned that if we post an hour-long video, no one will watch. So that's going to be it for today, but we'll be back with a brand new video next week. And we'll be finishing up this DIY furniture build we're probably not qualified for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming up on the channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.
You locked us in on no hands.
What happened to your hands? Let me see your scared face.
I don't know.
What was that?
I don't know. I was trying to make a scared face.
Look like a little kid trying to poop.